Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to solve 3x minus 7y is equals to 27, 2x plus y is equals to 1 and we have to find x and y. So let's start with today's video solution. So I am considered this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So I am going to make the coefficient equal. So we are going to make y coefficient equal. So to make it, I am going to multiply with 7 in equation number 2. So it's 14x plus 7y is equals to 20. If 7 times 1 is 7. This is my equation number 3rd. Now I am going to add equation number 1st and 3rd. So 3x minus 7y is equals to 27. 14x plus 7y is equals to 7. Add. So 14 plus 3 is 17x. It will cancel out. Plus 7y with minus 7y. 27 plus 7 is 34. Now if I'll divide both sides by 17, x is equals to 2. Put the value of x is equals to 2, either of the equation 1, 2 and 3. So I'm going to put in first. So 3 times 2 minus 7y is equals to 27. 6 minus 7y is equals to 27. Minus 7y is equals to 27 minus 6. Minus 7y is equals to 21. And if I'll divide both sides by minus 7, y is equals to minus 3. So these are the values of x and y. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.